and young apostles tifie and ship my mediama ekoshom ekamienu Holy Stars enso tifie shebako ema FC Sompa the defending champions omo enso entimi anti Nations tifie ema timo efene brekum Chelsea enso eba ebeshom ekabako a omo enso entimi anti for the first time in the Ghana Premier League timo a yefene Nations FC tifie enso etimi alusu match no a yede honsem no enso ede bana o hwe said the league table no enso atimiaye after match week 12 say in the city o hesoro ho a ensakraya aba say Bebiani Gold Stars enso asan ba abeda soro ho last week na ye team of Nations in that ho nenso na me no ka say Bebiani Gold Stars first position was aba abebe fall with 23 points ubenya Nations were total second with 22 points team of Heart of Lions nanwa da samri ya ye league e 2023 2024 ni na samri mo pre-relegation nanso nei omo enso to so third at 21 points na omatimi amase ubenya team o ye friend mediama otoso fourth ono so 21 points uhemu a ubehu team o ye friend Bechem United etoso fifth ono so ye 20 points ubenya Accra House of Oak ono enso edi ho with 19 points ono etoso 7th no Asante Kotoko ono enso 18 points 8th position no Brekum Chelsea or 17 points 9th the defending champions FC Sompa ono enso 17 points Baseke Holy Stars etoso 10th with 15 points 11th no Nsuateman with 13 points 12th position no Young Apostles omo enso 13 points Kaola United etoso 13th with 12 points ubenya Adriana Football Club ono toso 14th with 12 points ubenya Dreams FC otoso 15th with 11 points na fe Vision etoso 16th with 11 points Legon Cities etoso 17th with 11 points na fe Accra Lions enzo timi twatwo Ghanaian Premier League nima ono enso 9 points eno ene said no man enso si kwa jere tu ene ne enso dwumadi ne so na eni komo enfan free game ekoso nano meda wa abra House of Folk etifie enso ehye baako ema timu a jefeni Nsuateman enso timeti baako after the game coach Efeno Abubakar Watara head coach edema team Efeno Accra House of Folk odin komo na ne komo die no sei enodino
we get 3 points back unfortunately we didn't get another pressure but focus for the but we didn't get it. We can't do anything. We are going back to prepare ourselves to come for another game on 15th of December.
Enti ose na amohe sena ko mbetimenya 3 point nemom o mantimi enya 3 point o mo ko na fa ko prepare mo ho na for mo next game o mo enso so mbo no o mo enso atimi abo but in the next game so mbo in the Premier League against Kumasi Asante Kotoko ntia no ene sere no ma no enso ebesi fa ko na Salim Adams enso player ma team my friend Accra House of Folk after the game no ono enso edi nkuma ne nkomode no kire say team my friend Nsuateman the mentality say omo babe defend na for betimanya point e dia free game ene bae yentie Salim Adams.
This down, unfortunately, they also came to defend. We came to win, but this down, unfortunately, they also came to defend. We came to win, but
no, and some Salim Adams, and so at the tomb say, Omono has a folk no, or back game, no, na komo babe dinku, nanso, in Nsuateman for any day. Omo ba so mba be defend na chinchina twan bia draw bi omo enso atimi anya ntino eno ne sere no ma no enso siko ya prako head coach ma timu a jefani Nsuateman one has folk ba den de ma has folk na after the game no odin command for branch refeno Salim Adams na mo share Mohammed Gago kakra no munti asem we na fi muntimi njaje ma me o say Salim Adams na wo kasa no ne bobo no to wono hwe ne dia no wa kai no Gago yentie no
who can strike the ball accurately like he did. He really has something. And I look at him and I saw Gago look alike, and he has something. So there's nothing we could have. I believe the goalkeeper could have done better, but hey, let's give credit to who can strike the
ball. Over the way, na say go no enso ne no maso buy na na so dabi. Akwala we na no hede we si strike ball ne we si no ma o he no wakai ye Gago nti ano ne nsem a wo kan wo se na ke bia goalkeeper no betima bi but ball no ya ade na ese ejawom papa de no ne nsɛm a efiri oba mere to ani mene enso ewo dwumadie no so na efiri ho na ye ndi nkomo enso okuma ase asante kotoko enso ene Aduana Stars game na eno enso timba ni nsensem bebre enso timi firi sa game no ba ya ne yenhwe na ye ntimi wewura mu emfama na okɔ hɔ a sei na no man enso siko mame time ana kuma asa no go bas na free bechem brekum enso ekono na mobo pa o meto mu wo brekum na medu o machi amene o moko but asa no go team bas ekopa na supporters ni akiri no bibia na se bas ne nko na se ankonam ndina ho na se team na ya ankonam se me ne o kasa no mo enso enam brekum chene enso tima kodomo ano na emom o mo de ankonam no enso ekonya result a na chese emse emu ya ne sade makumase asande kotoko ndia no ne se no man enso siko na match we no nsense firi mu bae because asande kotoko enso ewura inside no na nsense mo ho player bi ko to 3 cd sequence go form ema akola bi ko 5 ma nsense mebre enso bae ntu de ye ba futa me de hu se nyina no enso betimi e dia ba na coach a ye fe no prosper net wogum after say onya win we no abo 5 games without the win 4 games I need this so they no lose ni na ntina pressure enso etimi wona so na odinkunim wa bra o se Aduana football club e kam mienu ema Aduana enso antimi after the game coach e find prosper net wogum edinkomo.
I think we have started, we've won, and I think the confidence of the boys will go up. Teams confident and are always united. Players of teams that always win are very confident and always united. And once we've won, I'm sure the confidence will bounce back, and then they will stick together more and then work harder than before, because this is just the beginning of better things to. I think we have started. We've won.
And someone coach a friend prosper net wogum say we no the start of better things to come. To your kotokonia obitimaka say we tip of the iceberg. Aha, anti sa pepe na nsemo ogum enso kan ho nsem no to na say a branch or share second goal na kuma sasa no got go hu say Olympic of the page no ene asemo a prosper net ogum kan fa no kire say we are kotoko fan na nyantoboase kakra ne ade we abeta mo asem na making Olympic off na coach fan prosper net ogum enso edi nkomo echeche nsemu erekire.
It's fatigue. He was tired. You saw him running a lot, so I think out of one of the explosive runs, I think he felt some pain there, but then according to the medical staff, it's not something that's serious. It's fatigue.
I know in somehow opening to do ya sanu kotoko na hu say mo top mask man no ya dia Olympics we mean through bibia me say e brene bae because o to be capable now game ni mtino eno ka ho bi na sanu mano enso etimi bae ntinye problem kesi bia e be for bibi enso etimi na ba ma me fans no wa bra no mo chanti ogum na players no enso e be fa ogum enso etimi asoa no ma me sa chanti no fans no spray sika na so mo tu sika e the good players ne so aha yentie kakra wi ni ba say ya na e ba. Nese kumasi asane kotoko fans na nanu adabi no msi ogum step ya sane ade no omo ana ye ogum yenye udeni uyebue ogum yenye udeni uyebue nese place no enso amane so fans no enso tuska ede ma place asane kotoko ne de mi se uwini a nese no mabebri ne betimi aba na ogum hu we no hu de we na fans ni si boje ne so no ene wo so won sembika ede kire kumasi asane kotoko fans nti nsemu a coach prosper net ogum eka
I'm so happy for them. In difficult times, they stood behind the team. We heard their cry, we heard their criticisms, we took them in good faith. They also stood behind us, and today we have won. So together we've won. I want to thank them for how loyal they have been, for how patient they have been with us, and for how determined they are with us as a team. So
and no someone coach Prosper Network Meka and so chere Kumasi as no fans now what do masi won and to buasi omanya any support to my support team in times of need. And someone coach Prosper Network and so to the sama kwa e see ye ewo doma and so you say referee ko first half na bebe 15 20 to 25 minutes there na say players ababe gina park so ebo pass sa na say referee and so entimi embare na nyoma and so course wo inside o na ye de na ye was stance ni menka say menam was stance ni entimi ahu de course ye wi na say menko na mene aluta baba ono ene stadium manager per me checks na me no ma me ye so na stadium manager ono ye hu say lines man na kana me ho two team say ya banage ni ade na me busa na say on kire me mu nyoma esi ye nti onareti ye etre me nyoma esi ye ma referee no be che ni ade ni na ne nti nsem aluta enso ekae
we the game there was a luta say luta to game ase lose draw win there to say o game the first half no to say na go no mo share we ho hwe nyi e clear goal out to say second half na first half na end ya mo ba no now to say pinche kakra attempt there was a referee normal nti mu wura dressing room na nam ka so oh referee we see pressure no fanton chen game no dance boa de bisi bia na si ti me referee no kasa na line one no e peja ne phone o twam na za asema me kan yes mo gre I didn't say o twam na me bonus as onyi camera ne furo na en kasa said bia pressure no sisi o kasa o kwa pressure ho yeso yes ye said yes team control de ko no san ko diners game ti basa bia den emma di me bo phone to na me so delete de o twa me fa no no so me sa o ka me tiam ni nyina no san me jimi sa no san di sim ha o bia bo hwe ma chi ha ya ya sen kutamza in fact match commissioner me respect no pa na me so never bia maduro football mu no maduro chiri bia me level na du sisi ya no me ka say me de old ayi ni baba emwa na se me menya abotre na game na den etimi to aso sisi akwa na me free hospital kwa ba ya na mu ade ha madwen say na ka say ka match commissioner no twen na yen kohwe akwa na num ne se na doctors for no enye check kakra wo ho sin de o de ka bia na ya de o nipa ho anti on na ya de ha mi sese
no ne nsamo aluta enso etimi tu dwa wo chechire mu de ntia e ma referee che wo dressing room no chese na omoko akoka chense o de onyi pressure ne free so na se onkonko digi na bia ntimi gwan okoya ekofa asansensem no enso etim edebre no so ono omo adua na omo ni kotokoni problem o omo ni kotokoni problem dabi ntino saa ansem amanfo kan de omo ni kumara sanu kotoko enso any problem bia na omo kasa problem ne violence sense mi na mebusa Alex Manu ono eneye oba Ashanti region ha kumasa sanu kotoko supporters no ono ye chairman odi animu on violence e cause so e park no so omo supporters no e bia aduana for no attack e wana se bibisa no sei eno panine so kan e de kire on violence
ya da nto se da win ye me am jam ka to bi de sakan na ya da retrofo obi an fan san kan we also say afi pinche bi na after first half no referees no e delay e we do but that is not my me am ti ha di and I shall go to ya 2-0 the BBN. Oh yes,
and no name some open and so etim edit 2 na asamba ko a wins ne ma na amanfo di hu komo coach Prosper Netogum step aside win we Bernam say ndi chairman said you win we ya buy ni money agi ya mo ni ade ade say ne still a win ba ko pe na ba ndi coach Prosper Netogum on step aside was ya win you my ni na jai san komoni die yentie nsem oka e de kire coach Prosper Netogum say on step aside na say onko so nyadwuma
now we are talking about the match now coach Sasemo whatever I'm the one who appointed coach Ogum what I say I'm a supporter so why must I talk about the coach no I really let's marry together and then the idea here you only part of 3 points how do you get 3 points you know inside 30 points how do you get 3 points let me say 30 points tipani aji papa if you for coach to play whoever send them to I mean I get 3 points and they got 18 points
What I say, you go 8.
And say win ne ba nsem bebre to me dane enei amanfo sister piasa ni no mani da no so no we supporter nti mu yemfa saa asem nto nche na doma o magye 3 points so o magye 30 points nti yema o munji o mani na won no say de nti o mani ade na kotoko ball ni ye pa no say obi abo ni position to he play number 6 now where abloning dogani center backs now check 2 and 3 Patrick Asiedu and Lodamo respectively and teams be akoyi nti nsemo a oka and for players and ebo positions
You be free technical bench no and we selection we did what I'm say we are going as I'm catching come say na be the position and best that people I'm telling you the technical bench na idea the players are idea supporters are there. You can't say supporters of the car if you come as nearby. You can't say you are by the far, but for us nearby. You came with, I mean, everything to win this match. Many are the second of me. When I break a record, and I say, because I break it this season, you said 2 goals that. And I said 2 goals, which are last then I said 2 goals. That's the last 2 seasons. They need the match for the corner. The person there to clean it. Clean it 2 goals. Like 2022, we beat them 2-0 over here. And I started 2-0 with Ogun.
Hello, Alex Manu, and so some more they to just say, and no players no be able in position. Tinasian Coma technical team supporters now for playing body no, or my idea so moye among Kunindino, and so etimia bantel and some more, or penny can I don't some at the air 2 and full time no, we bring your heart. You bet me and Swaba at the Hons and 7 about 2 to them what man who the Rianamano, and so you come raso, say your corny could din combo, and so I'm on a bar. Na nyoma ekosuni nano nyoma enso timi akoyi na obi percent ka 90 plus be 8 na 10 batem say 11 anti zanity enso ekoye fancy na bibia e boko de bibia e kama kwan na e wa ba obende na bibia kama. So that year with church victory no.
Oh, team leaders ma catch us say yes.
Okay.
Ana new money be one man na no here so be kan SMP because there be fa. What you say? Players ni bo kro mu ni ho ba bi mo ba o yeah work in progress.
We nyap in the
be na kind of United for no be so months as onum say nra obi say Sanka Vanistro the ball Ipswich game na
go win
komo wini be na ye ka korokofo asem say mo say ebia prosper modern ball crowd for mo players na wo gina pitch no so abobo omo cheska omo de koma coach no
da be players na no
omo de ma hwan
players na no to go so
eni so ba to bo aso be hwia eye wa wasem wo be yi uyam so so wo soma eye wa wasem
furu anaka
Salim Madam say goal o shema ha so folk at the end of the day yes me na me share
da be Salim Madam na share ene say ene yes yi hu na na ya figa go yi nti no sa be penisi
you understand this coach no crack chro we na most of times cry you started game na some na coach na kan no be first 10 minutes na ya tuma dia ka bia
enye adwuma be no apel komo me didi ye no players na catch rogum say san komo ne no kra na say am personal players ne bo abro
okay
komo catch rogum say de eno nche no on tenase because no per report say na you need last game lose wo pe engo
na on ka 5 in a row de one about
ndi wo ko ndi boys nka say wo don tenase on bo gina nti no be man so no
omo ka so gum step down omo assistance
omo ase ntina ho na yese basa team no so say yama ambo am say lights out
lack of concentration trimodern Dawson
okay omo we need to was ne do my omo there okay
but Real Madrid no do omo mo ball league na ya botere because we need outstanding game
na say about 1 point
difference number 1 okay
bibia to me see
ya ko Portugal no one Porto for the shark be ma me Porto for video da supporters na twa omo stadium mo say mankwa kobo cup game Sporting chi obi a share 6 Amarante wo Porto akwa away akobo cup game what the defeat and
you were trying
yeah kuna hear the stories na ma ye for and some Monday morning me shall say that free Portugal and Bobo Cravan's FC Porto so ko ball wo some game ama chance so mo side ya fan some more range say and a boy na ye cup game and some Portugal bra we know and some aye tasa the Portugal mo kwa away and some akolusu 2-1 na wa bra Cravan support Bobo Kono and some akwa we 2-1 and support supporters no enso say omonti ase na yetero so obetwe team no enso say team no kware omo the boss and a buy na wabe koba some boss on arrival na omonim say be address and tromba no na cheso obi en wona mo buy na cheso supporters na womo so abuafu omoniye womo ase omo twen eye team no sansa womo diri e ba so kware ekobo cup game ene kwa so koluzi amanim guasia enso aka airport today aha aye stadio the dragao ewa promo fee ene koba so mo ko away enso koluzi game mo buy no na cheso bufu enso ashe supporters na kuma muma womo so ade bufu no nyina no ehia team no ebe kwa so tonioma enso ade team bass no a cheso no nyina no enso aye update eba wonsam no ye de ema ye team fa ena no pay enso awo show no so bonsa womo so akoba draw na adeba ko a aye shocking enso ade say womo can take aye lead na koba saboboku a ye for South Africa enso aba level packing na manager no awo post match to just say womo game mo kokoba no nyina before we say omo kan ema ne tesa sam oko aye South Africa awo aye draw so ba ko a ye na tesa emu odempa ampa so mo ko ye womo so akwo sa match na emu odem na mo onfan konko she ebi akodan na ye for say Casado a red card one fan konko she mistake na player ye for say Jules Kunde enso na na no sabia no ena mo omo board draw no mom jemensa kan nyina no say manager no enso adiri e ba so modumpa womo so na boss a match no mo na chesa no so awo form na odaso na wo jiri awo team no mo say womo so na beti aba so ba kan no enso ya so ma coach na ni tuka na report am say kan say manager no ni bu fu pa ama yesem otiantian kodan no enso awo dressing room a chesa one for boss omo boys no one for mo one trouble ba ko kra wonim sam abufo no akoba say coach ye fan say answer flake enso an kodan no womo so kasa meti say womo we post match na chesa na kodan na ye fan Gavi wonom edin komo abo post match a chesa oye interview ana osoma sa masa mun konfre ne mra a chesa manager no osoma sa womo konfre akora ne mra sa ba bia dwono womo ye meeting enso our dressing room ama jaminya no nyina sa wan for bia wan chano enso ama coach no what me man nkoda no enso local room ni nyina no ni ma chesa no enso aba so after the game manager no say amano bia ti say no omuntimi mo emfa win game ema no nyayi yintie ba sa coach ye fan sa flick.
We can speak honestly. It was a really bad match from us. So it's had nothing to do with the things we want to see. So we have with the ball control was not good. It were many mistakes we did. So also in the first half. So it's not that like we normally play football. So it was today was not good, and we have to speak about that, and we have to change it. We can speak honestly.
Yes, and all a Kakrabia manager Fanasa Flake and our Tessa Yadena accepts MIH for another pay and some our shows and Rabobokua. Yafanasa Real Madrid and some Aquayat Man Simple and so our Omoshami and Sanami and Sanamuno before the game now Medi Kenya feed bisa many janum key changes our brasa changes and no other and so Abama Yafan Impampe and so Aquaben Kumso now Wamana Quadan and Fanasa finishers no and some about central ampa when we start the game you say Mbappe and at that left I'm a finishers abonai na ni nyina ne yanioma me kan last week and say changes be abahu chesa no na game across bi ano and no ana chesa bobo kwa sa Real Madrid when we be run our Anfield amano kasanya me yaduma when we some the game no and no so ababa so na jamesa kan say ta so we game no manager no some na ya to kasa changes so mo ye na enra and some our key and some Timonum Sanam so I'm a branch of Mbappe. One and man of the match award Enra na Chesa for a first timer. One Mbappe some Aquan Bankum Sono. One of some Masako man of the match award Nibium. I Chesanin Kakra and some Afia Kwanana Swaya, and some not Abana Jamaica can say, Mamma Federico Valverde, the wife, Ecobeki Post, our IG, your funny Mina Bonino, Mamina Casano, now on some our stadium, and we're on here. Now the all canning in Anasa Bame, what just a Yaka or biggest funner, and I know a bananum, Nemano, and a support to a banner Casepa, and son or no wifey, and some upper. Now your body canning in Anasa, one more donum, Atas or Doma Kumaso, one and I just why be running in our pride, I know, one material bas one, and then him, Omabusana Franca, essence of monument for Duco Albanabra, and no day at Chesanino, and some update about Faye, Jamaica can say coach, I say Yamatu Jasama Kotana, your friend Asensio was so by the maturity, just say a Bruna came and an entire so Sansa, one more crack about game, Yarikaba to last week, and say, one enemy tower and also player, your friend say Woodriga, just a Rudigano, Womianum, and about our central defense, Amatumino, now I bring Cobas our partnership, and what not chance, I shall be now Antonio Rudiga, or no any Akotana, your friend is Asensio, our Chirono, coach and about Korana Basua, was say, and no extra Juma Kotano, and some Aaron Kotanimo, and no Kakafina Swataba, Onsamino, yet the Amiatum for Mbappe, was say you want to just say. Wono waje man of the match award at the minimum nina trosi ana samanfo bi erefi aye Federico Valverde na amanama Valverde so bono yade se eso ni panta enua wono so nya time at about 20 ye Federico Valverde and some abaso esensa ye catch so mo 2 ampa enwa amodinu kobo 2 nemom me say we aye said ye besi akọ enso awo Anfield at Champions League game no enom enso abaso na report am say can say last follow mama last for some communication now almost do almost statement about almost say we ma pamo coach na your fan Steve Cooper now ni na no defeat awon against Bobo Kua your fan Chelsea now say Chelsea show anya news bi am timamu nyina so fan pamo your coach so ma pamo coach no ama Jamaica can say we ma da some other managers ni bi akasa meti so reference Ruud van Nistelrooy or crowd but they carry about to just last for no woman akasasie metis a former coach ama Westama your father said David Moyes ayobia one some amane kasa na yes Moyes no as all pay Everton adwuma no ensom aye anase bia Van Nistelrooy no one some Everton adwuma no ensom aye na so ko Germany Hamburger FC omunyina no ensom na contract na ba na sampo one some ade adwuma no pese one dem Van Nistelrooy aye twa wo seri ade no ensom na be sia ko Tottenham one sha Man City ekeno ama kumako anan ama City entimi now adiaba quite shocking and say the last 5 matches in all competitions Man City alusi ayhabia and Germany jana kwa na mom ayadwumaden a coach na 19 amam manager Fanasa Papano one other so to na Jamaica say Tottenham 4-0 no we are the biggest Premier League home defeat Man City enya since 2003 akobas Arsenal abesho mo 5-1 ebiam ensom and say Tottenham ababe first ever team wo some asha 4 goals our Premier League no atia Man City and the manager for the Pep ensom our way Pep etu was makono ho me question 4 Derby ay Tottenham omo ensom ana eso no man na yesi abobi atofoma and also no tofoma abobi atimboni bi mama San Marino na San Marino force they said emu agono emu ayefo na anyabia City sa Manchester amabo November nyina mu luzo na anyabia no se kwan da ho a da mo be ready bi amon fro mo na omo San Marino SM omo nemo ensom our game abana omo nim say den a wo mo San Marino ebe shop mama San Marino for post no na yen confirm mama phone sampa aye San Marino wo mo na sem amaso mo City ebo okay omo say the City for na mra chese no some kaka frimo ensom na de eba ho sem nyina no ye de ema ye che for anano pay ensom our shadow so good morning I know your story about kind of somewhere and your last week our brand manager your family say Ruben Amorim will take you to a current and a second day at just obey training no and your story Emma so by the more good morning no what so good morning not just a manager and some abaya jumaden na wo game the first match aba so enra wo kwawe omunya eligo enra born a true baby na just a build up from the back you know yeah jumani ya dianemom na akwada no goal de take and sa chance former player na wono some take karma boboku a ye fa no sa Ipswich no wonim sa diaminya no say and some other report am say kano and some chance enra goal na Rashford Eshaya Emma Omari Hutchinson and some Aristotle Parity baby abon Dalio Messi mubi and so not to mubi and mo salamu bi na tane boss akela and some other to net no ma Kabian Cabanano and ye can want some Dominion Enra Manchester boys no Womo Ekava 102 kilometers. Yes, sir, the second lowest total of the season at Manchester Bopo. Never can say be a distance covered, you know, and also other form as I am. Now, Jamie, you know, so goalkeeper, you found Andrew Onana Emra, the coach, Abana Basso, Nana, so Nana Emeki serves Mianubia, not just an annual dimpa. No, Nana say, we're disappointed. It's a Sanwa game, no, now I was like Manchester in your win. Nani nano some anasa way a responsibility kasia and some other team our game PMO na Jamini anasa akwadana ye fan say aye Ruben Amorim ono aye coach and some other team no and what ye baby say Ruben Amorim team say Juba no say why you frustrated none say the frustration no report am say kan so owuna ye fan Owen Hargreaves at the control and what say baby anu what no what to coach no and some kakra now yeah Sompa manager ebu fu manager I am frustrated na on Hargreaves I say donim and say a free na kroi ebe kakra bi players from over Manchester ebia pina omunya boni bi mo sexy performance na nya e Manchester at point manager no e dey sexy ebe mo chance bema wo kwaye we ma no what say bon nsayem oh uni abaro abetoto papa so e Manchester no coach ni say I was say Joshua sexy etia say Durubabia ko box no aho ene ye de cross ne bab cross be do na Zaxi new box imo just agogoya asawo for and after the game yintense my coach ye fan some Ruben Amorim erituja
more possession with the ball, kept more of the ball, and sometimes we had the ball in the defense and the rest of the guys were too stuck because they were thinking where I should be. So this is the first point when you make a new structure and you are so clear on that, they need time to have some fluidity in the game. So I felt that, but it's through trainings and they did okay.
Yes, young Koma 9:30 yeba to us, but I won't say election eba. Election eba no. I'm saying slight changes eba by 2 abani we be abesa fine tea. I best start to show 10. Yame etiefo because oh yes, me van say wiki there. Anti yame etiefo hu na omo no mo fie ba ya ja. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.